Hi, my name is Victor with Dockmate US. We're on a 24-foot Topaz, and this is our demonstration boat. Equipped on this boat, we have Glendinning controls, Glendinning joystick, Vetus proportional bow thruster and stern thruster with a Yanmar engine, turbo diesel.
And what do you mean by proportional thruster?
Proportional is the more you move it, the more throttle you're going to get on your bow thruster and stern thruster.
So the more you move it, the faster it goes.
Exactly.
Okay, great, great. Had to put it in docking mode. You can see nobody's driving, or actually he's driving right here.
Okay. So now we'll twist it. The boat's going to go ahead and twist. You have forward with proportional throttle. You have reverse, proportional throttle. You go to the side, the boat will actually catwalk sideways, move over. You have independent bow and stern thruster. You have a horn. It drops your anchor. Picks your anchor up. All with one remote.
That's great.
So now I'm going to dock it.
Okay, good.
That's it.
Truly impressive. Let's get that out in the sunlight and look at it. Everything's done with this one handheld piece right here. That is truly impressive. Dockmate, available here in South Florida. Notice there's nobody at the helm, nobody holding the steering wheel, the throttles. Everything is done with the handheld remote on the aft deck. Truly an amazing feature. So if you've got a pilot house trawler with no aft deck controls, you can take that remote control device, size of a pack of cigarettes, and walk to the stern of the boat or on the aft deck roof of the boat where the dinghy is and operate your boat and back it into the slip. So if this test boat's got a bow thruster, stern thruster, and a single engine diesel. It's not a twin engine boat. There you can see the helmsman has the piece in his hand, port side. Truly an amazing piece of equipment. If you want to learn more about this, look up Dockmate or ask Captain Chris. There you go. Thanks.